Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today, it's Friday. I need a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. It's Friday! And I couldn't take it. I just wanted to do kind of an early release video. This soap is going to be coming soon by HC&C, and this is Ticket to Ride. I don't have a whole lot of details on it. I know that it is a dupe of YSLY, and that is the men's version. Don't get it mistaken for the women's version. So if you want to look up those scent notes, those are completely different. So I want to give a quick shout out to Pete and Morgan. Thank you for believing or trusting in me to be an honest reviewer. And as you guys all know that have been watching for a while, I will give an honest review on anything. And, you know, there is a little bit to it that you have to kind of understand. There are some channels out there that just love everything, and there are some channels that bash everything. And I think there's a little bit of tact behind the way that you go and present something, and it's okay to not like something. And so I try to take the more positive or gentleman's approach and explain why I don't like something. And just because I like it or dislike it, your beliefs may be different. And so I kind of came up with this phrase the other day, and I was trying to think how it was, but something, it'll come to me in a minute. But anyway, here is the pour. I've already scooped some of it out, and wow, what a sophisticated scent. My wife, when I let her smell it, she was just like, that is very nice. So I look forward to using this and kind of getting her feedback on it, because you guys know that if your spouse approves the scent, it just makes it that much better. So that's nice. All right, I do have it whipped up in my HC&C stainless steel bowl, and I'll tell you that I used 1/4 teaspoon of soap and 10 milliliters of water, and it did a nice job lathering. Pete's base is very luxurious. And if you want to, in the description below, I will put the ingredients of his soap, because I'm not going to rattle all those off. Some people enjoy hearing all that, and for me, I guess I'm kind of lazy and I don't want to take the time to remember all the ingredients, and I don't want to miss any of the ingredients. And so with that being said, I'll put that in the comments below. Not in the comments, in the detail box. And then today's razor is going to be this Homelike shaving Taiga, and this is the adjustable. And I got this razor a few years back, and I just love it. And one of the things I really love about it is it has this open comb. Oh yes, what a beauty. I do have that loaded up with a Gillette 7 o'clock yellow blade, and I'm trying to burn through some of those blades, so I'm sorry if you keep hearing me talk about the same blade. This particular razor does have dots on the top cap, the blade tray, and then the adjusting tray mechanism for the blade gap. I'm going to be using setting number 5 on it. Let's see, what else am I going to talk about? Maybe are you guys wondering like what the scent notes are? Too bad I'm not going to tell you. No, I'm just teasing. To me, it kind of has that sweet kind of woody scent. So I'm picking up kind of like an apple and like a citrusy bergamot, and then kind of that woody, maybe vetiver scent. And it's just, it's nice, the combination of all of it. I haven't had the chance to actually smell the real cologne version of it, but if this smells like that or that smells like this, it's a hit for me. All right, let me warm up the razor. I have a bowl full of hot water here, And let's get going for pass number 1 with the grain. Plenty of residual slickness there. I will say that this blade and razor combo, I enjoy the Gillette Silver Blue blade a little bit better than this one. It's not necessarily a bad combo, but you know, when you've hit that perfect sweet spot, why deviate from it? And I did that today, but it's still going to be a nice smooth shave. When this soap releases, I will try to remember to come back and put a link in there for it if you guys are interested in purchasing this. And as you noted in my last video, I put a link to Pete's website. And I do not have an affiliate link. I just have Pete's regular link. I don't make any commission off of it or anything like that. I did say that I got this soap for free, and I really appreciate that. I feel like this blade might be a little rougher. Just a few, probably 10 minutes out from a fresh haircut. Let's see, was there something else? I know that Pete did send me a nice little write-up, kind of a story behind the soap, and I was debating on whether I wanted to put that in there. But it's a nice little read, actually. I don't want to steal away from the website or anything for whenever he lists it, so I may not put that in there. Pete, if you're watching, or Morgan, if you're watching, if you want me to put that in there, I'll be happy to come back and edit that portion and put it in there. I got the soap here and got it lathered up. Let's take a look at the lather on that. I got it a little on the wet side, which I like. It's kind of right there on that bloopy line. So I got to be a little bit careful with lathering on the face, because you know how it is. It's not a good shave unless you wear the lather. Did you see it? That's right. When I first started wet shaving, I really enjoyed a thicker lather. And then I realized that the excessive soap is a little bit harder to rinse out of the razor itself. And it just kind of felt like maybe I didn't get all the soap off when I was done. And so I kind of felt like maybe that led to irritation. And now I like it a little on the thinner side. And you know what? It's shaving. So it's one of those things you kind of just learn how you enjoy it. So don't take my word for it. Or let's see, that's not what I was going to say. Let's see, what was the phrase I came up with? Don't take his word or her word for it, or even mine. Take yours. It was something like that. It was so stupid, I can't even remember it. The whole point of it is, you know, I can have a perception of it, or, you know, the way that I like it may not be the way you like it. So don't always consider that written in stone, I guess you could say. It's best to get your own experience on it. That's what I was trying to get to. I got lots of lather in that bowl and all over my face. All right, I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. Oh yeah, that turned out to be a nice close shave. I haven't even opened this bottle up. Just kind of looking to see if that was one that separates, and I couldn't see anything in it. But with that darker amber bottle, it's hard to see that stuff sometimes. Oh yeah, that's nice. This one seems like a little bit different formula than the, I always want to say muscle milk. I know that's not it. That's a drink back in the day that people used when they were working out and stuff. The, oh, what's that called? Tiger milk. That's what some of the other bottles were, and this one is just the splash. All right, and then I'm going to follow that up with a little bit of Star Jelly for my post-shave balm. All right, that's going to be the shave for the day. I'll put a little picture right here of everything I used, and I will see you guys on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your week.